the God of love, for gathering us this afternoon for this union of Carl, Dimitri, and Sophia Denise, and the sacrament of matrimony. Dear brothers and sisters, as we celebrate this wonderful occasion, let's pray also for our respective families. Let's pray for ourselves as members of the one big family of God, so that we can be more and more loving members of the family, to be instruments of God's love. And now, as we celebrate this wedding of Carl and Sophia, I would like to reflect with you on the beauty of the family. And let's start this with the story of a painter who wanted to paint the most beautiful thing in the world. And the first thing that this painter did was to ask people. The first person that he asked was a priest. Father, what's the most beautiful thing in the world? And the priest answered them, faith. It's the most beautiful thing in the world. The painter was so satisfied, and so he asked another person, the second person that he asked was a young lady, very much in love, like Sophia is. And so he asked, what's the most beautiful thing in the world? And the young lady answered, love, of course, is the most beautiful thing in the world. Still, this painter was not satisfied, and he asked the third person. The third person that he asked was the soldier, fresh from battle. Sir, what's the most beautiful thing in the world? The soldier said, peace is the most beautiful thing in the world. But still, this painter was not satisfied, and so he went on to live in this village. Pero pag-uwi sa bahay nila, he was met by his beautiful wife. And in the face of his beautiful wife, he saw love. And tumitingin naman sa kanya ang kanilang
Hey,
anak.
Kuya Milan.
And in the eyes of their child, he saw faith. Then suddenly, he felt peace in his heart. And he said, now I know the most beautiful thing in the world is family. Indeed. That's why we thank God for the gift of family. But at the same time, you know very well that we have also a lot of struggles in the family. But again, with God's love, we can conquer the trials, difficulties, and struggles that we have. And that's why with this, I would like to continue our reflection by making use of the word, the very letters as well of the family, of the word family. So the first letter, the word family, is letter F, meaning faith. Your faith in each other, your faith in God. Let's continue to grow in our life of faith. You know, there's a big difference between a person with faith and a person without faith. And we thank God for giving us this faith. That's why precisely you're here also for this sacrament, because you do believe in the sacrament of matrimony. The sacrament is the way in which God gives you the necessary graces that you need in your married life. And by the way, just to remind you that in the other sacraments that we have in the church, like baptism and confirmation and the other sacraments, the minister of that is either a priest, a bishop, or a deacon. But in the context, in the case of the sacrament of matrimony, the ministers are the couples themselves, the husband and the wife. The priest is only, is there as a primary witness and to bless the bond of your marriage. So faith, let's continue to grow in our